What's up, YouTube? It's Anthony from Meineke, Cinnaminson. We had an 05 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup today in here, and the park and brake cable was rusted out. Over the years, I had the right socket to do, those long threaded park and brake rods, which over the years, different mechanics have lost them. I probably even lost it myself. So nevertheless, I made one today, and let me show you how to do that. So I took one of my inexpensive, cheap 13 millimeter 3/8 drive sockets, and I cut it in half, and then I added a piece of tubing in between both ends of it and welded it together. So now this allows you to slide this all the way over that threaded rod and make ease work of unadjusting it and adjusting it. So if you're in a jam and you don't have a super long socket and you don't want to spend an hour wrenching it with a 13 millimeter, grab an old socket. I'm sure you have a 13 millimeter junk socket. Get some tubing, cut it down, weld it together, and that's how I made quick and easy work of something that's becoming a dinosaur in our industry. Most park and brake cable systems today, there's no more cable assemblies. It's all done, with electronic calipers and things of that nature. So we're old school dinosaurs here, and if you're stuck and you want to make quick work of that, custom fabricate your own custom socket without, paying Snap-on prices or Macro tool prices. But it worked very, very well for me, and I figured I'd share it. Thank you.